back. I think so.
Couldn't say I can because I would just lie. So I'm sick of my phone, I wish that it would die. Do not disturb because I know it won't matter. You won't hit my phone ever after. No need to talk or to see me. It's like I can't reach your mind or something like that. And when it falls, yeah, I'll just sit in my room. It's so comfortable just laying on my floor. Pouring outside and I got no place to be. The rain is too dangerous and you can stay here with me. And I know that it's late, oh we both know you can't leave. With you on your space, don't wait till on my sleeve. No need to talk.
Oh yeah, I remember.
It's like I can't reach your mind.
I was like, what is a quarter gonna do? It's gonna make you buy a movie pass. Oh, damn.
Just like so sick of my phone, I wish that it would die. Do not disturb because I know it won't matter.
It's still alive.
We got paranormal activities budget. That's $15,000.
It's wiggling.
That's one flashlight. That's a fucking dead tree right there. Will that
Now
fall
let's.
down?
We'll make it fall down.
What does it look like?
Good.
Yeah, it might look
It's like I It's so comfortable just laying on my floor.